back to Miss Piana's math lesson videos. Today we're going over the information you need to know for checkpoint number 3. So here we have a balanced hanger. It's kind of like a clothes hanger that you might put a sweater on or a shirt on in your closet. And it's balanced because it's straight across. And we have things hanging from both sides. Here we have X and 5 on the left side and 20 on the right side. We know that this is balanced because it's straight across, which tells us that the left side equals the right side. So if we want to make this into an equation, we're going to add the things on the left side. So we have X plus 5, and we're going to make it equal to the right side, equals 20. So from here, we can actually find the solution that makes this equation true. So we're going to find what X is. To do that, we need to take the 5 away from the left side so that we just have X left. So we're going to subtract 5 from this side. Oops. Subtract 5. And then, because we did subtracting 5 on the left side, we have to do the same thing on the right side so that it stays balanced. If we don't do that, this is what happens. It becomes unbalanced. 20 is hanging further down because it's heavier, since we only subtracted 5 from the left side and not from the right side. We don't want this. We want it to stay balanced, and so we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. When we subtract 5 from the left side, we get just X. We got rid of that 5. We're still going to keep the equal sign. If we take 20 and we subtract 5, we get 15 left. So X equals 15, and then this is our solution. Okay. We're going to show another example down here. This is another example of a balanced hanger. This time we have 2 X's on the left side, and we have 10 on the right side. Again, we know, because this is a balanced hanger, straight across, that the left side equals the right side. So we're going to write that here. This time, we're going to write 2X. And we know that it equals the right side, which is 10. Okay? You might be wondering, why didn't we do X plus X? We could have. It's the same thing as 2X. Because 2 is our coefficient, we're multiplying it by X. So 2X is the same thing as X plus X. And if we have more than one of the same variable, then we actually want to use multiplication and use a coefficient. 2 times X equals 10. Okay, so this time we want to get 2 X's down to just 1 X. We're going to use division because we use multiplication to write the equation. So we're going to divide this side by 2. We have 2 X's, we want to just have 1 X, so we're dividing it by 2. And of course, we're going to do the same thing on the other side, 10 divided by 2. Anything we do on the left side, we have to do on the right side. We have to do it on both sides so that the hanger stays balanced. So 2X divided by 2 gives us just 1X. 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. And so X equals 5 is a solution. And we know this is true. We know this is true because if we were to replace X with 5, 2 times 5 equals 10. We can always check our work. We can use the solution, X equals 15, plug it back into our original equation. Instead of X, we write 15 plus 5 equals 20. You can always check your work to see if you're correct. Okay? So that's all the information you need to know for checkpoint number 3. If you are stuck, please join Google Meet or message me on GoGuardian, and I'd be happy to answer your question. Have a good day, and I will see you next time on Miss Piana's Math Lesson videos.